자기가 더
Four feet on the stripes in the Alabama highway. Out there in the open, just a wishing and a hoping. I could smell the pines when I let you in the doorway. Took the seat next to mine like you've been there before. I'm befriended and in a loose I could never stand to lose ya. Get by when you're at my side. I'm befriended and in a lose ya.
아니요?
At the end of my bed, in the palm tree lightning. It was nothing you did, I just felt my low lightning. Now we talk all the time, it's a little one-sided. Always one step ahead, and I'm running behind you. I'm befriended and in a loose ya. I could never stand to lose ya. I get by when you're at my side. I'm befriended and in a lose ya. I'm befriended and in a loose ya. I could never stand to lose ya. I get by when you're at my side. I'm you carry round? Why don't we abandon ship? I'm tired and I'm over this. I can say I tried. I'm better off on my own. I'm trying to be grown. You're not worth my time. Why don't we abandon ship? Why don't we abandon ship? Why don't we abandon ship? When I look at you, I see Georgia. I see sunshine headed my way. I feel love like no other, a baby and a mother. Sweetest thing that I'll ever be. When I hold you close, I hold everything. Every breath you take, a song I sing. I'll find love like no other. A child with my lover, sweetest thing that I've ever seen. Georgia ain't that far away, and I know it. She's been showing up at my door, tugging at the sleeves of our indifference and begging us to get back to before. When I look at you, I see Georgia.
Everybody had a hard year. Nobody got their pay. What a time for the lonely ones. Thought every dog had its day. What a time for the wicked, the hungry and the brave. Ain't no time left to pretend. The car is on its way. Somebody call the cat in. We don't need another stray. If everybody had an answer, nobody'd have to wait. What a time for the righteous. The hero never came. Ain't nobody out there like us. There ain't no two stones the same. I'll be alright, 'cause I got you on my shoulder. I'll be alright. We'll settle down when we're older. We'll be alright. Somebody let some air in. It's getting hard to breathe. Won't somebody let some light in? It's getting hard to see. I'll be the great liberator and set somebody free. never came. Ain't nobody out there like us, or are we all the same? I'll be alright, 'cause I got you on my shoulder. I'll be alright. We'll get some rest when we're older. We'll be alright. We'll be alright.
Cheryl lives down in the south, working at the Waffle House. Has a second job at midnight when it's time to leave. Costs $7.50, never seems to pay the rent. You gotta have a trick or two that's hidden up your sleeve. The living ain't a magic act, days are long and that's a fact. Money still ain't quite enough for her and all the kids. Times have changed, she always says. The good old days are gone and dead, but she tucks the kids into their bed like Mama always did. But it's hard when you ain't got nobody, and it's hard when nowhere feels like home. And it's hard when the world has gone crazy. Seems just like everything means nothing at all. He was laid off just last week, making parts for big machines that made a lot of fancy things that folks don't buy no more. And now he's in an old motel. Lately he don't sleep too well, holding down a darkness that he's never felt before. But some nights when it's getting late, a diner by the up a nice hot plate to fill him for a time. Cheryl's always working there, the big blue eyes and auburn hair. She treats him nice and seems to care about what's on his mind. But it's hard when you ain't got nobody. It's hard when nowhere feels like home. Yeah, it's hard when the world has gone crazy. Seems just like everything means nothing at all. We try with everything we have just to make it by. Yeah, we try. Try with all our heart and soul just to feel alive. Cheryl says, will that be all? A jukebox plays a country waltz. Jim is feeling mighty tall and he asked her to dance. Yeah, Cheryl says, oh, I don't know, but round and round the floor they go, holding hands and dancing slow. Feels just like